Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Amazon Prime. I'm just going to show you the basics of how to spot, for example, a product that is Prime exclusive. By this I mean a product that will allow me to get it for completely free for next day delivery. If I scroll down to my items I've been looking at recently and click, let's say for example here on this air duster, I can see that there's a little tick with Prime next to it. And you can see here as well. This means that Prime is available for this, meaning that I will get free delivery. An example of non-Prime products is this shoe here. Here we can see the DC Men's Manteca 4 high top, and you can see the photo of it here. And in this case, there is no Prime tick anywhere. And we can see here that we can get delivery for this for £12.35 for the 13th to the 19th of August, or we can get fastest delivery, which I'm sure will be a bit more expensive than this one, for the 2nd to the 5th of August. So, in order for you to be able to find Prime exclusive, simply search for what you'd like to buy. I typed in, for example, mobile phone, and then make sure to tick on the left-hand side, all Prime. And now we can see all Prime products. There will be some like this. It's still showing for Prime as it's free delivery for Prime members. From here, you can see there's a lot of different phones and all of them showing the Prime tick. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.